I'm telling you, man, it's 0 to 60, 25% throttle is like less than 40 seconds. That was wide open there. I was like, let me let out real quick.
Holy cow.
I'm like, let me roll it real quick. But you see how it's just instantaneous, there's no lag. It's just, and it's like, listen to it. Anytime you want to, you get that sweet blow-off sound and everything. Yeah, it's just like...
Oh, yeah. That is loud. It's way better than the Arma speed.
Yeah.
And with the T50R1 mod.
Yeah.
That's...
Very streetable setup. Power at all times.
And I like the when you did a wide open throttle.
Yeah.
It didn't like the power band was good
Just
because
kept going, yeah.
it wasn't like spinning
Yep.
or anything like that.
Exactly. Which is great. I mean, these tires are holding on good. Which surprisingly, I've been really surprised at how well they're doing. So, I'm like, yeah, 700 torque, and it's like, let's do it. Yeah, I just gotta get a built transmission now.
Yeah.
Because yeah, 6 gear at 25% throttle, just spins, free spins. So it's hilarious. No push, other RPM. It's pretty decent. So.
Holy cow.
I don't recall that. I was like, ease on it.
Yeah. My head is literally in the back seat.
Yeah. You can see
Like
it's all
on the
way.
back of my head.
Yeah.
It's on the headrest.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. Like on the dyno, we were seeing 5th gear pulls. They're at 700 wheel. It went from 36 degrees Celsius IAT to 41 degrees. And as soon as we let off, it starts cooling right back down, even with that tiny little dyno fan. So I'm like, man, it's the gamma system's working real good. I'm thoroughly happy. It was 92 degrees outside. Outside temperature. In the shop it was, well over 100. So it was still knocking that out with.
It was real hot when you guys were doing the testing.
Exactly. I mean, I was sweating.
Yeah, I know.
So it's yeah. I mean, I'm really happy with the performance. The gap is everything mechanically. I mean, I'm driving this car every day, pretty much, just trying to put as many miles on it as I can. And as you see, no smoke.
Yeah.
Which is good.
Like it even transmission, it wasn't slipping too.
Transmission's okay in the 3rd and 4th, which is good because if you roll into the throttle, it keeps it okay. If you try and blast it in 5th is good too. But yeah, once you go into 6th gear, just free reps. It's like there's no point. So, but yeah, I'm glad you're here because that's the first time I've done like a 3rd gear or 4th gear like wide open throttle, like without being on the highway or anything. Give me a little bit of confidence.
Yes. I mean, that T50R1 mod sounds so good.
Yeah, it's not too crazy loud. It's just like it's just the right amount.